We're reviewing from the company called MulWark. It's an 8-meter, 26-foot tape measure. Precise measuring system. We're going to open up the box, show you what you get inside, and how nicely it's wrapped and presented to you. Tape measures round with a clip that's removable, ergonomic rubber in a dark gray and a yellow, and a lanyard strap. It has on the front 2 magnets, a locking mechanism that we could open up, and a nice normal lettering. Compared to other tape measures that you lock down, it's a nice large tape measure. On the opposite sides, they have numbers as well. It's in the English and Imperial metric system. We're measuring 12 inches. Right on the spot. The measurement of 12 inches, precisely on line. And if need to measure the opposite side, 12 inches is right there. It's a 26-foot tape measure with the fractions of the inches, with the studs on the wall, as well as in metric, your numbers. It's a nice wide tape measure with easy to read measurement numbers. So we're going to be measuring 14 1/8. We have 14 1/8, and we can measure 17 3/8, and so forth. The tip is magnetic that will pick up screws and hold on to anything metal. For example, if we need to take a measurement, we're able to hold on and pull. The tape measure has enough strength to hold and run. For lengths needed of up to 26 feet, we have a tape measure of the measure that simply rolls up in a matter of seconds your 8-meter MulWark 26-inch measuring. For your tape measure needs, I hope you enjoy your product if this is right for you.